Happy Tuesday morning, everybody. Will Brown, CTA, Chief Technical Analyst at Quantum Capital Research Group. I was drinking my coffee this morning and I said, let me come on and make a post because I had a member in the Discord last night ask about news and its relationship to market movement. And I said, that's actually a great question. And I want to address that because news is what we call a micro catalyst. And that's something to consider when you're looking for your edge in the market. But what I've noticed literally within the last 8 years, I've been trading for almost 25 years. But what I've noticed in the last 8 years is that this market is very hypersensitive when it comes to news and information. And my theory is partly because there's a lot more retail investors in the market now, just because those services are available through Robinhood and apps like that that make it easy for people to trade. But information news is a catalyst that you have to consider when you're inside of a trade. But when that news or information breaks, especially if it's bad news, you shouldn't panic. Once again, technical analysis is key. As long as your price action doesn't break market structure when this news or information drops, you're still good. You're still in the trade. Also, on the flip side of that though, if that news and information happens to be favorable for you and your stock price moves up, don't get greedy. Stick to your plan. Stick to the trading plan that we outline in our membership trading plans. So it's very important to have your finger on the pulse of information and news. But if you're a busy working professional, that is very hard to do. And that's why it's very important that I encourage people to become a Quantum Capital Research Group member today, because that's what we do. We keep our finger on the pulse of information that affects the trades that we're currently in, and we're able to quickly put out information to hedge, protect, or capitalize on news or information that comes out.